Welcome. If you've ever found yourself searching for a specific draft email in Gmail, especially those with a sheet attachment, you're definitely not alone. Today we're covering how to quickly filter draft emails with sheets attached, using nothing but your Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Let's jump right into the updated steps. Start by opening the Gmail app on your device. You'll see the familiar inbox, but we're looking for something specific, so pay close attention. At the top left corner, look for the 3 horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Give that a tap, and a side menu will slide open, displaying all your Gmail folders and categories. Now scroll down and tap on Drafts. This section houses all your unsent emails, whether you started them minutes ago or weeks back. If you have a lot of drafts, don't worry. There's an easy way to filter out the noise. Just below the search bar inside the Drafts folder, you'll spot an option labeled Attachment. Tap it. Instantly, Gmail will show only the draft emails that contain attachments, making your search a whole lot simpler. Here's where it gets really useful. Scroll through the filter options until you find Sheets. Tap this, and now Gmail will filter your drafts again, showing you only those with Google Sheets files attached. In a matter of seconds, you've zeroed in on exactly what you need: your draft emails with Sheets attached, right from your phone. No more endless scrolling or digging through countless messages. This quick method saves you time whether you're prepping for a meeting, following up on a project, or just trying to stay organized. Now that you know how to filter draft emails by Sheets in Gmail, organizing and finding your important documents is easier than ever. Try it out next time you open your Gmail app and see how this simple trick transforms your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tips to stay productive with technology.